So here it is, the Seeker FOD management system. All the way in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So this is our complete FOD management system for Runways. We're out here in Tulsa on their oldest piece of tarmac out here. And we got the mag and the drag set up. So the mag will pick up any metallic items, and then the drag picks up the rest. And Don was just saying that in the past, with other FOD systems, he picks up snakes. So he said, watch out when you're cleaning the thing out in case you don't get a water moccasin in there. So these guys are just gonna run up and down the runway here, just collecting anything they can. Doesn't seem to be too much out here today. We were just looking in the bins when we stopped. So this is 30 times zoom. We're zooming all the way down there. You can see how big this runway is. Those guys are at least a quarter mile out now. And that 15-foot sweeping width you get on the magnet and the drag just allow you to cover this area faster. So you'd probably have to do about 4 or 5 passes and this whole runway would be cleared. Let me zoom out here. We're way zoomed in and it's wobbling in the wind here. But you can see how big this runway is even just compared to the magnet. So we got the magnet and the drag on here, so we're doing a full cleanup job. Don's coming by, and then we'll probably pull back to the barn shortly because he's got a meeting to go to, and we'll show you how to clean it off and show the guys here how to clean it off and how to see what we've collected and everything, all that good stuff. So the magnet comes in a 79 and a 204 inch sweeping width, so you can get the single, which is a 79 inch, or 204. So that's 5 pods and 13 pods, which gives you a full 15-foot sweeping width with no gaps in the middle, so you never miss anything. So you can hear them coming there. We had the F-16s taken off this morning. They should be coming back shortly. And there you go, the FOD sweeper and the magnet all in one. Get some real Dutch angles here because this tripod's a little funky. But look at that. That's a nice view, isn't it? Look at that magnet going down the runway with the big drag on the back. So this is our 15-foot model. It rolled. The wings come up on the edges like a farm applicator, like a fertilizer applicator. The wings fold up, and then it goes to about 8 feet wide, so it's easy to move around and store. These guys said they want a hinging trailer hitch on the front, so that can fold up as well. They'll probably fabricate that themselves, but we'll take that into account and maybe come up with something later to do that. And he's gonna give us a drive-by here. We got the terminal in the background. Good old Tulsa, Oklahoma. We'll bring it back, go to the maintenance area, and clean it off and see what we got. So we'll show you the process for clean off. You've seen it probably a million times for the Seeker Air Mag. So we'll show you the Air Drag this time. Whole different game. So if I could get low here, I could show you how much clearance there is to the ground. But these guys have found it's best set at 3 inches on the magnet. They said it picks up everything they got, and then they don't bottom out anywhere where there's lumps and bumps, which is what we pretty much recommend. You rarely ever use the 1 inch setting unless you're on like glass. But the 3 inch allows you to kind of collect more as well, because you got 3 inches of clearance for stuff to kind of build up. So with these two together, you got a pretty complete sweeping system, and your runways should be, you could be able to eat off them.